Hello guys, welcome to my channel. And so in this video we are going to see the review of this face and body cleansing scrub. So let's get started with it. This is a 2-in-1 scrub so that you can use this for your face and body too. Price of this face and body cleansing scrub is also affordable. You can get this in all the local stores and online websites too. There are many flavors available like papaya, mint, etc. Now what I am having is the flavorless one. If you are not liking any of the smells or flavors, you can choose this flavorless one. It doesn't have any of the flavors or smell in that. The scrub's consistency will be transparent. See, you can see that. Apply the scrub in your face or body and rub it gently. It will remove the dirt from your skin. You can see the dirt coming out while massaging your skin. Massage your skin well so you can feel better. I'll provide this link in the description box.